I-FLOW wafer check valve. Compact structure saves space, quick installation and low cost, small flow resistance and more energy saving.
Kingdom, UAE, Australia, Brazil, Mexico, and widely used in projects such as Milan Expo, Fiat Workshop, Shangri-La Hotel, Kerry Center, Petrobras, GE Workshop. Service, quality is our core competitiveness. To create value to customers is our greatest wealth. What can we do for you? How can we do better? We warmly welcome customers from home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.
If you are interested in our valves, please visit our website for more details and glad to receive your inquiries.